Ever wondered why gold, that timeless safe haven asset, is sliding even while the US dollar is roaring back? Today, we're unpacking exactly what's going on and what it means for your money. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Helen and welcome back to the channel where we make finance simple and actionable. If you've ever wondered why gold prices drop when the dollar gets stronger, this video will make it crystal clear. First, let's talk about the inverse relationship between gold and the US dollar. Gold is priced in dollars all around the world. So when the dollar strengthens, each dollar buys more gold, meaning gold becomes cheaper in dollar terms. Think of it like this. When the dollar's value climbs, gold looks more expensive to everyone outside the US. As demand from foreign buyers drops, gold prices fall. So one big reason gold is sliding right now, the dollar is flexing its muscles. Next up, interest rates. Gold doesn't pay interest, it just sits there. But when the Federal Reserve raises rates, suddenly US bonds and savings accounts look more attractive. Why hold a non-yielding metal when you can earn a decent return in dollars? That shift in opportunity cost makes investors move money out of gold and into dollar-based assets. And that's another reason gold is under pressure right now. Here's another key factor, global demand. Because gold is priced in US dollars, a strong dollar makes gold more expensive for buyers in other countries. If you're in Europe or Asia and your local currency weakens against the dollar, you're suddenly paying a lot more for gold. That slows down global demand, and less demand means weaker prices. Simple as that. Now, it's not always that simple. There are moments when both gold and the dollar rise together, like during global uncertainty, wars, or inflation spikes. That happens when investors rush to both safe assets. This relationship isn't perfect, but over time, the pattern holds. A roaring dollar often means a falling gold price. Right now, the dollar is strong, interest rates are high, and global demand for gold is cooling. That's why gold has been sliding. If you're a gold investor, here's the takeaway. A strong dollar can weaken gold's short-term performance. Watch for rate cuts or inflation pressures. Those could lift gold again. And always, always diversify. Gold is just one piece of a bigger portfolio puzzle. Think of gold and the dollar like a seesaw. When the dollar side goes up fast, gold usually goes down. But sometimes someone adds extra weight to gold's side, like geopolitical stress or inflation, and the balance shifts again. So, to wrap up, gold is sliding mainly because the US dollar is roaring back. Stronger currency, higher yields, and reduced global demand are all part of the story. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Are you buying gold right now or waiting for the dollar to cool off? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.